Surah 13, verse 3. And he is the one who spread out the earth and placed firm mountains and rivers upon it and created fruits of every kind in pairs. He covers the day with night. That doesn't say that he ends the day with night. It doesn't say that he rests the day with night. It doesn't even say he bookends the day with night. It says he covers the day with night. 1400 years ago, I highly doubt it had been discovered yet that our day was quite literally just the sun being captured within the particles of light of our own atmosphere, and that the space is ever dark, and that at night we get to see space because the light of the sun isn't coming through our atmosphere. The Quran is saying quite clearly that God created the sun the day that was covered in night. What?